This is still Santorini, Greece, and we are at a winery, Santo's Winery. Part of the tour that I took allows you to have some munchies and wine. I don't drink wine anymore, but my sister had a little bit. There's our cruise ship way at the bottom right there. Ours is the biggest one. Look at that. It's like, I don't know, 3 blocks long. And there's a yacht. Ooh. Look at that yacht. Okay. Maybe Tiger Woods? Elon Musk? I don't know. But it's a gorgeous day. It's about 11 in the morning. Beautiful. People are just mingling about, having their wine and olives, tomato. It's complimentary as part of the tour. Oh, there's a private cove way over there. There's the private cove.